Hi, I'm Jonathan Gordon, and together with my brother Andrew, we've been running Clan Gordon Letting since 2007, right here in Edinburgh. As landlords ourselves, we had first-hand experience of using letting agents, and we really just wanted to set up an agent that we would be proud to use ourselves, providing great customer service for landlords, but also for tenants. From the start, rather than taking on every possible property that came up, we focused on finding landlords like us who wanted to provide good quality homes, allowing us to then look after the tenants and keep the properties in good condition. To date, we are proud to be recognised as Letting Agency of the Year and also Overall Agent for Scotland. The awards in this case are actually coming from landlord reviews and tenant reviews, so it's direct feedback from our customers that you can rely on. So I think what sets us apart is just our commitment to professionalism, training, and just providing a good round customer service. From pricing your property competitively to making sure our marketing is good, we use a professional camera to make sure that we've got good quality images, floor plans and virtual tours. As well as having a professional property manager as your direct point of contact, they will be supported by a team working behind the scenes looking after our accounts and compliance to make sure that everything stays up to date. But despite all this training and expertise, what really counts for landlords and tenants as individuals is to have humans looking after them. Our team are really friendly and helpful, as well as being professional and well-trained. Whether you're a first-time landlord or an investment landlord building a portfolio, we're here to support you and make sure that your property is managed with as little hassle for you as possible. So if you are looking for professional yet friendly service, then get in touch with us today.